Welcome back. If you're joining me live or watching the replay, drop where you're watching from. I'm Betty Rose, founder of BBITS. Today, we're talking about something that causes immediate stress for business owners: IRS notices. Let me start by saying this clearly. Receiving a notice does not automatically mean you're in serious trouble. Most IRS notices are informational or correctable. Notices are usually triggered by one of these situations: missing information, income mismatches, which are 1099s, W-2s, 1099Ks, etc., mathematical errors, late filings, underpayment of estimated taxes, payroll filing issues, or sales tax discrepancies, state notices. The IRS computer systems generate many notices automatically. Here are the most common types of notices. The CP2000 is an income mismatch, balance due notice, late filing penalty, underpayment penalty, audit notice, which is less common. Most notices are requests for clarification, not accusations. Here's a step-by-step plan you follow calmly. 1, do not panic. 2, read the entire notice. 3, check for deadlines. 4, compare it to your return. 5, do not ignore it. 6, gather information. And 7, respond appropriately. Ignoring a notice makes it worse. Responding calmly fixes most issues. You should always get professional help, especially when you don't understand the notice, it involves payroll, it's multi-year, it's audit related, or the amount is significant. You don't have to face it alone. If you owe, here are some payment options: installment agreements, payment plans, penalty abatement, first-time abatement options. The IRS prefers communication over avoidance. Keep these practical habits in mind to avoid future notices: accurate bookkeeping, reconciled income, quarterly estimated taxes, timely payroll filings, and reviewing 1099K totals. Good systems reduce letters. If you've received an IRS notice or want to prevent one, I offer compliance reviews, bookkeeping support, and tax planning. Book a free 15-minute consultation using the link below. Tomorrow, we're moving into how to catch up if you're behind on books or taxes. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to get notifications. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, a notice is information, not a verdict.